impi yengoma yanedlola abafana bamningi
Now, the most important point that I want to address to the nation, please, people of South Africa, stop right now. What you are doing is out of order. You are destroying your own at the expense of uTheni Fulo Pumbabe Chile. That is not true. That is not true. Now you are out of hand. Stop it. You need to stop it. And you stop it right now. Because you know what? Even Ubaba Msholozi can never be proud. Ukuthi Tina sibulale yonke into ekhona ezweni ngoba Nakhu sifuna kuphume yena ejele. We must do it the right way so that Ubaba ezoba proud mangabe ephume ejele asho ukuthi ngazala ngachamisela abantwana bami bangikwazi bangilwelile bangivikela bangikhiphe ejele so that we can have a future. You know ukuthi fanele ni correct kanjani that history. One, we need an urgent meeting near Parliament to impeach this president. He has destroyed us and our country is at war and our country is beyond repairs and he has insulted us and he has divided us. There is no father of the nation who can speak like him. Shame on you. I'm disappointed, Mr. President.